person have a degree, high quality, high degree, but they don't want to do little small job. They want to do only high status job. This is also reason. It is also increasing unemployment. And uh, like example I'm giving you, I'm telling you, like if you have degree, you want to do something, but neighbor and your relator and society, some people of society start to, why did you study so much? Why did you study so much? You are If you are to do a small job, that's why it is. I think it is also this reason many people have educated higher degree. Uh, they don't want to do small job. Yeah, and it is also mindset of high good job. I think want to do high status job. It is I think mentality of youth. It is also it is increasing unemployment. And if you talk about education system, in our country education system is not good, because many person only they want to degree, not some people middle class, I think middle class, and they don't know knowledge completely, and they want to only degree, and they don't want to able to work. And corruption, I think it is not good for our people, our citizens of of our country. This is also increasing unemployment, uh, only for degree you don't know about education completely. How can get job? That's why I think this is also a reason. And many countries uh, provide many facilities, like library, experiment library, and crafting crafting learning, and learning machine, and mobile learning, I think making mobile, I think in a completing machine, about machine making. I think intermediate school and high profile colleges, in schools, institute, sorry, not institute, colleges, and medical schools, library, experiment have there. But I think middle class, low class, intermediate, for in government school, the school not provide like this everything, library and for learning many things. That's why I think this is not many people only booking knowledge. uh, this time I think schools provide only booking knowledge, not a physical and skill knowledge. That's why also it is increasing unemployment. If you talk about corruption, corruption also is responsible of unemployment. Everywhere officers and teachers take for given degree, and for many come. I want to one example. If you want to do make if you want to, some people, some officer make your done your make your work done. That time some officers beg money. This is also is corruption. And if you want to uh, if you want to degree without study, we completely should not regular. You want to good degree, teacher also take money. It is a corruption. And I think it is if you don't know about study, if you only have degree only you booking, I think yeah, this knowledge is not good knowledge. This is also it is increasing unemployment and corruption. Uh, yeah, if you talk about lack of factories and industries in our country, yeah, in some places factories, some places are factories and industries, but every state didn't present yeah, didn't establish. That's why I think many people face to many problems when they want to do job near about her house, near about her city. They don't have job. They have to go other state and they stay 10 years. After 10, they search and if money have, I think if you have don't money, that time you will face lot of problem. That's why yeah, I think sir provide uh, if you sir our government provide every state and some zile, how to say zile, some district provide practice and trees. uh, it is it is etc. But I know, I think our government provided some yojana, some yojana, some schemes like Kausal Vikas Yojana and Make in India and uh, I don't know, but sir, I think it's seven scheme, seven food industries and I think steel industries and Tata, Tata Steel Industries. It's a make, I think motors and steel like pot. Yeah, and Mumbai factories, film industries, and four clothing industries there. And Gujarat also Panipat. I think this is also for clothing industries there. It is if you talk about solution, yeah, our population is increasing day by day. We should aware every citizen and government should aware citizen know about family planning because it is increasing also unemployment because it is increasing uneducated employment, educated unemployment. It is it is a big responsible of unemployment and you can understand a citizen like if you have two children, you can care completely and you can provide good future and a good knowledge, good education. If you have many children, you don't care completely. You like this, you can understand. I think this is, and you can say about make family planning. Many sarkar, going on. Understanding. Can understand many things. Family planning is going on. You can go and hospital to ask any type. How stop more children? Only two children. There means some authors is some sir starting to buy women for understanding family, making family plan. And if you talk about our education, solution, our education solution, I think we should learn, we should learn completely education. And I think your I think many parents also responsible they don't give for us money given to sir for only degree, because a degree is not good. Yeah, because I think some students fear to exam, then definitely they will start to study. It is I think slowly many students fear, after starting they will do good.